do I
deal with these internal angles for our mouldings.
The first thing you're going to want to do is bevel the end of the piece that you're cutting to fit at 45 degrees. This will show you the line that you then need to cut to get it to fit over the corresponding corner. Best tool for that is a coping saw. You can use a jigsaw. I find a coping saw is just as quick. You just cut the waste material away. And then with a bit of coarse sandpaper around the dowel, just tweak the end to start getting a little better fit. This is one of those jobs, check it, try it, check it, try it, tweak it. It fits over the end like that. We don't do an internal 45 because if the walls are not square, that'll open it all the way at the front. Once we're happy with the fit, we can pin it to the wall. First bit goes on, dies off into the wall, and then the second piece fits over the top of that. If need be, a little bit of caulking, fill it, paint it, jobs are good.
That's how I do it. I'm sure you've got a different way. If you have, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon just up here because we're releasing these videos daily. And you can see previous ones of them, I think they're down here. But if you really want to stick around and support the channel, get some cool perks and all that kind of jazz, then there's a Patreon link down, I think there somewhere. So you stay safe till next time.